YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here today with another installation for our mixed media collab. This is 757 CWA and Company, which we do the last Sunday of the month. We have different themes every month that we have to do something mixed media on. But this month was a freebie month where we can choose whatever we wanted to do. So I'm going to show you real quickly what I used, and then I will show you what I made. But before I do that, please check out the wonderful crafters that are in this collab with me. They are awesome. They are the kind of women that would motivate you. They are so talented. They inspire me every time we craft together, which we do twice a week, Fridays and Saturdays on Zoom. Always got wonderful ideas. But anyway, their links will be below. So we got Sheba, Lisa, Susan, and Donna, who's just on IG. But don't sleep on her because she is very talented, even though she's not on YouTube. So here's what I used. So I get this stuff up and I'll show you my project. Tim Holtz collage paper. One of his ideologies is called Typeset Composer. I used some of this metallic tape, which, I got that from Lowe's, which has a sticky back. So, love this. The Dollar Tree chicken wire. These was my alcohol inks that I used by Bria Reese. And let me tell you which ones I used. And the names on the back of them. I thought the names were on there as well. Okay. So anyway, these are the alcohol inks. So yellow, slate, Mars black, red, fog, ultramarine blue, blush, sky, and lavender. Some metallic thread, some Dollar Tree coins, the silver ones, black Sharpie. These are the toothpicks from the Dollar Tree with the silver balls. They also have them in gold. And these Cutter Bees embossing photos, which was called Hello, Love, and Celebrate. And these are 3 that I used. And then I used this embossing photo right here by Doris. And it is called Square Patterns. So it's kind of like that floor, that Italian feel. So, yep, that's the embossing photo. These things. Oh, and I did use this Marby punch. I told you my Sharpie, some gesso, and this is what when I use my metallic tape. This is what I use. And so I made multiple projects, and I don't know what was going on. Never had this happen in my life, but everything I made was like a nightmare. Literally. So anyway, I took some cake, cardboard cake, what do you call it? Cake stands? Not cake stands, but the little cake holders that you get at Michael's, the cardboard ones, the corrugated ones. And I just altered them, and I put down, you might not be able to see without this glare. Sorry about that, but these embossed metallic. Put them on the background, drop some metallic inks on it, some chicken wire, that Dollar Tree faux coin, some more Dollar Tree bling, punched out a heart right there, and some more, got these from AC Moore, some enamel dots, and that purple bling heart came from Dollar Tree, and I colored this love with my black Sharpie, which, thank you, Susan, for suggesting that, because I made it pop. You'll be able to see better pictures on my Instagram, because, it's so hard with metallic to see it. So you can see this little cake plate. Either way, my lighting is going to be, terrible because of the metallic. So sorry, but you'll be able to see my pictures on DaretoBeCreative 1, more of in person. So that's the first one. So again, like I said, just the chicken wire. All of them had the chicken wire on it. So then this is the second one. Oh, I forgot. I also used this Martha Stewart balloon punch. And this one says Celebrate. And I just punched out a couple balloons, put some of the silver metallic thread on it, silver bead, and the chicken wire, and a little balloon, and the little red and yellows, and the background of purple, and some of the colors bled. You can see it turned into green under here, some different colors, but anyway. Love these different swirls. Love using alcohol inks. Very easy to use. And I use a straw to blow them all around. And then the last one is this one. It says hello, and this is where I use the Tim Holtz decoupage paper and the little toothpicks from the Dollar Tree. Some of the flat back So enamels and all the blacks in the background and the chicken wire and the bloom from the Dollar Tree. So that's that one. And honestly, I was inspired by, it popped up in my feed, and it was Esmeralda Art. And she seems to be new on YouTube because, I mean, her channel, like, I think her first one was just posted like 2-3 weeks ago. So it was Esmeralda Arts Mixed Media. I have her link below. Anyway, but that's what made me, this is what, she did a video where she had the embossed under it and she had the paper roll back. I did a different spin on it, but basically the same, similar thing. So that's what inspired me to make these, and then I just made these separate. But, yeah, that's kind of where I was going for with this one. So I will have her link below, but again, it's Esmeralda Art. Anyway, Esmeralda Art. So thank you for liking, watching, subscribing. Please come back at the end of next month and see what we're doing for our project. Check out everybody's links below. Please like and subscribe to the comment. We may be having different giveaways throughout the year. So again, hopefully it inspires you to do something mixed media. And this was fun because I got to use my Brea Reese alcohol inks, which I had never used before. That was a new embossing folder I hadn't used before. So the Dollar Tree blooms I hadn't used before. So a lot of this was new, so that was pretty cool to use some new products and stuff as well. So anyway, take care and God bless, and I dare you to be creative.